How to sign in agency here in Dino. So hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to sign agency here in Dino step by step. All we need to do is open up our Dino right here and then click on me on the bottom right corner. After pressing that, you will be located here. Go down a bit, you will see my agency just above the settings. Press on my agency. After pressing on my agency right here, you will be relocated right here. So as you can see right now, the loading. There you go. The assign agency. So now we're gonna put an agency ID. Please enter agency ID. So here, once we add in the agency ID right here, as you can see, please enter the agency ID. So it's a number. So put in the agency right here, and after you sign in with your agency number right here, then you're all you need to do is click on submit. So for example, we're gonna put in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There you go, submit. Please enter the correct agency ID. So yeah, there you go. So we need to copy. We're just gonna copy this ID right here. So there. Let's try this. There you go. Oh no. You gotta try two. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah. So yeah. So yeah, there you go. After you sign in the agency number, you just have to wait for it to be approved. Once it's approved and then you're done, there you go. You have and you're now an agency right here, and I know. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you guys like the video, enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always type it down comment section below, guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on how to rock it, guys. Anyways, guys, there you go, and thank you, guys.